Alright, yo, we have, as you can see, a new account. And after a week of not posting, sincerest apologies for that, by the way, I am still at uni. I'm a student, and I've got 4 units. I had 4 units, four assignments due this week, so I literally couldn't do anything. I tried to get a few short form videos out. I got 2 Instagram, TikTok videos out. Now I'm gonna start backtesting again. As you can see, let me just mention the most important part here. It's a new account because I partnered with TradeZella, and they have now given me a new account, all free for the year. Eventually, I will be getting a code out for TradeZella. On top of that, I now have also partnered with Apex Futures. So use code DWX, you get 80% off. I will add links and all sorts in the description. Also join the Discord. I mean, this week was low-key slow anyways in the markets. So I guess not a bad week to really miss due to assignments. But without further ado, we might as well get into the backtesting session. Honestly, I'm just excited because I've got a year worth of TradeZella for free, and I just started at a random date. We're in July because I was meant to do June. I was meant to start June, mid-June, but I ended up clicking July from last year because the last backtesting session were at like June last year or something like that. But regardless, let's draw our shit out. Everything is still the same. London, and where's New York? Here we go. Can already see a nice zone here. I just think it's probably going to hit too close to Asia. Actually, no, sorry, not this fucking zone. Look at that one. Alright, well, Asia's going to mitigate it. Or not. Okay, so we've got this zone. We've got this zone here now as well. Um, we've got inducement here. That's red. And we've got inducement. Oh, wrong one. And we've got inducement here. We've got inducement here. For this zone up here, we'll drop down 5 minute. By the way, we have started breaking structure to the downside. Yes, you could long off of this zone, but honestly, you're probably only going to be taking it up to there. A little bit stupid, but it's pre-market zone anyway for a Monday. Orders really aren't going to be that strong there. Let's be for real. I think I'm going to place this. I just like that it's filling orders. Damn, that's high. It's also really bright. This blue seems really bright. Give me a second. Let me fix that. Yeah, that's better. It's a lot better, actually. All right. This is going to be the first trade. Limit, advanced. We'll do a little 1%. We started on 100k this time, by the way. Sorry, why am I targeting all the way down here? Let's target here. I think potentially here. 1 to 5. 1 to 5 is our first trade. I've got faith, I think. Honestly, we could probably trade it further down. Like, what are we? I haven't even checked the higher time frames. A little bit stupid, Daniel. We could honestly target these lows. I think that's not a bad. This is also annoying because it is. Sorry, bear with me. I just want it like this so I can see the wicks. Otherwise, I can't see the wicks that are formed in between. And it's new account, so not everything's correct. I've tried to do the chart colors, but Honestly, we could push down to this 4 hour zone. I will mark this out. Oh my god, yeah, that's like fucking rookie shit right there. I honestly think we moved down to this. Remember when you first open TradingView and everything's like blue, you got the purple rectangle. I already changed my rectangle color, but you know what I mean. This one's a blue line. I think we do at least hit these lows here. So we could target those and take partials here. We got a 30-minute. We have a clean 15. Could honestly refine to a 5. Is this the 5? This would be the 5-minute zone here. Or that one. Yeah. But let's just see what happens. Tapped in. Go break even after we've just broken these lows. Simple risk management. Pull you down here. And we get a wonderful trade. Why is this not tapped us out yet? Okay, so TradeZella. Why is that 15 grand? Like what? Oh my god, I didn't confirm the sell order. Daniel, you're an idiot. Fuck you guys. I'm replacing this order. I don't care. I promise you I don't care. I didn't confirm the order. Fuck you, I'm going back. This is the first trade. Yes! Arrowed in. Break even. Okay, I was like, why didn't we get tapped in? And we get first out. First trade on the TradeZella. Fuck yeah. And it was clean. That was a cold trade. Look at that. That's optimal. That is actually optimal. 5-minute chart, 1 to 5. Let's see if we target and hit these 4 hour lows that I was saying. Come on. Hey, I think my father texted me. Okay, I gotta do something. This might actually be wrapped up early. Let's just see if we can hit this little low here. Wait, I'm checking the 30. 30 was clean delivery. Bro, you can't make this up. The target that I wanted, 1 to 13. Get the fuck off me, bro. Look at that. Boom. Smacked. I'm honestly probably going to wrap this video up early because my father is... He's already texting me. He's getting rage baited. Alright, wait. Let's just keep this here. I think I'm probably going to start looking long just due to the fact this was a really clean 4 hour zone here. See how we've tapped into it. Next 15. Alright, 5. We hit a scalp here. Probably could have entered off of something. 3-minute demand. Could have gotten this entry. Oh my god, I haven't fixed my long zones up yet. It's not red, it's gray. No, darker gray. Darker again. Yeah. And then we got this blue. And then say we targeted these 3-minute highs. We got stopped break even. Horrible trade. Anyways, it's 1 a.m. in the morning. I'm just gonna quickly hop to Tuesday. Hopefully my dad doesn't get fucking rage baited. I'm on the 5-minute chart. Daniel, lock in. 10 a.m. 5 p.m. And 10:30. Okay, let's move up. That's really clean, by the way. Straight off of this 4 hour zone, I think we start to flip bullish. Just following the overall market structure. What about 4 hour? 4 hour was a perfect wick. We didn't even close below these lows. Look at that. I'm sure you can see. Didn't even close below those lows on the 4 hourly. This is fucking really nice. Alright, new day. We were just going to hit this zone here in Asia. This is the 30-minute zone from the trade that we took. Here. Just don't hit during Asia. I beg. Alright, wait, let's map out a few other zones. 15 will be cleaner down here. Alright, so we got this 15 zone. Like, yeah, you could refine it down to that, due to the fact that this didn't close above its wick, but let's just see. Oh, hello. Did it tap that yet? No. Okay, let's drop 5-minute. I think I'm gonna place a long here. I mean, realistically, if we're taking such a high time frame, did it hit the hourly zone? It hit the hourly zone, came back down. During Asia, it's about to hit this one. Would have wanted a closure above here, like if you really want to take the safer bet and just like hope it doesn't go down further, because it very well could collect liquidity lower. I've honestly just hopped on this session, so I don't know what the price action's fucking looking like. But this is telling me top, retrace, and then we're going to start moving further up. So we've just had this top, break that, retrace, make a lower leg on the higher time frame fractal structure. This is the 15-minute zone. We could take this and get like a potential crazy RR trade, to be honest. To be completely honest. Go to these lows. Target back up here. Go below the zone. As such. Alright, inducement. And now we got this up here. Just watching. Just watching. It's just hit this zone here. So we've got this zone. I honestly really like this. Inducement, break of structure. Realistically, like, yeah, we hit a 4-hour zone, but like, this is the 15-minute down here. Let me target these lows. It's honestly pretty fucking textbook, I'm gonna be honest with you. Hourly's already been mitigated. 30 has not. Oh, shit. To these highs. I'm in a bit of a kerfuffle here, y'all. I think I might take this. It's a lot of volume pushing up, but I think I will take this. So we'll do 0.5 risk. I mean, it was a nice wick down. We got good closure. It's just waiting on this next one. Could stop us out. Yeah. All right. Little corny, but is what it is, to be honest. That was a quick trade. 2 15-minute candles. I think is it 15? Have we broken these highs? We've broken these highs now. Now we start to look long from potential this zone or whatever. But this is New York now. Has this touched? No. Mid zone. It's real chop. Alright, I'm gonna have to wrap this video up because I need to go do something real quick. But yeah, we'll be getting back to the backtesting streams. Unfortunate loss here. little bit, like that's why we went 0.5 risk, because probably not the smartest trade to take. Now we've got a 50% win rate to start off with. Not the best, but is what it is. Monday, Tuesday. Now that I'm looking back on it, we could have taken longs, but doesn't really fucking matter. Yeah, backtesting video every day. I'm gonna start getting back to my outlooks as well. But welcome to a new TradeZella account. The fuck?